Cybersecurity Android here. So, on 4th August, Huawei revealed the next version of the Harmony operating system 4.0, and this new version comes with tons of new features and is 20% faster than the previous HarmonyOs 3.0 version. And guys, honestly speaking, the HarmonyOs 4.0 is much fluent than ever. Even Ice Universe tweeted about its animations and fluency, and just look at that. It seems pretty amazing, right? But we are not here to talk about its fluency, but its massive achievement. Well, after releasing the HarmonyOs 4.0 in the Chinese market, the OS is getting viral and it's breaking all the records. Well, in a single day, like exactly on the launch date of the OS has achieved over 1 million downloads, like 1 million Huawei users installed this new operating system on the launch day, which is out of this world. Huawei confirmed this news itself. The numbers are derived from a wide list of eligible smartphones including top flagships from the past, allowing these users to download the public beta version right away with a simple sign-up process. I would say the rapid installation is a result of the latest improvements made in the user interface and features. Huawei is using the new graphic engine which renders smooth animations all across the screen, and this new improvement is catching all eyes on the internet and taking it close to iOS and even surpassing it in some scenarios. And as I already told you, once upgraded, the HarmonyOs 4 offers 20% system fluency improvement and the battery life is extended by half an hour. On the other hand though, task execution and app launches are improved by 57%, which is no doubt an immersive improvement. And yeah, we've already passed through 3 days from the launch date, and the company may post another HarmonyOs 4 installation mark, increasing the number from 1 million. So I will update you regarding that as well, so make sure to hit the subscribe button to get notified. So yeah, what do you think about this massive achievement of Huawei? Well, do let me know in the comments down below, and as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.